Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your natural skincare series where we're healing skin from the inside out, one glow up at a time. Now, if you've watched part 1 and part 2, you already know that skincare starts way before you apply anything to your face. It starts with you, your habits, your energy, and how you care for your body every day. So today, in part 3, I'm sharing 5 daily things I started doing to support my skin naturally. Things that require zero products but completely changed how my skin looks and feels. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. I post every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday with real affordable skincare that actually works. Let's jump in. Tip number 1. Start your day with warm lemon or herbal water. Before coffee, before breakfast, your skin needs hydration and a gentle detox. I drink warm water with lemon or mint every morning. You can also try ginger slices, cucumber, or a pinch of turmeric. This helps flush out toxins, improve digestions, which means better skin clarity, and hydrate your body from the inside first. Plain water feels boring, turn it into a ritual. Get a cute cup, add herbs you love, and make it feel like self-care. Tip number 2, move your body, even just a little. No, you don't need to hit the gym, but your skin needs movement because that's how your blood flows, your pores open, and your stress melts. Even just 10 minutes of walking, light yoga, or dancing while cleaning the house. Movement improves circulation and brings oxygen to your skin. That natural glow you see post-workout, it's real. Tip number 3, give yourself 15 minutes without a screen. Stress equals inflammation, and inflammation means breakouts. So one thing that really changed how my skin felt was giving myself 15 screen-free minutes every day. No scrolling, no messages, no pressure. I use that time to journal, deep breathe, do a mask, and just be still, or simply sit with a tea and do nothing. You'll be amazed how much lighter your skin and mind feels when you unplug. Tip number 4, eat one skin-focused meal a day. I don't eat perfect every meal, and you don't have to either, but try this. One meal a day that's built for your skin. That means including a fruit or veggie high in antioxidants like berries, tomatoes, spinach, a healthy fat like avocado, olive oil, or nuts, or some proteins like lentils, eggs, tofu, etc. Even just this one small change can improve your skin's texture, hydration, and glow over time. Tip number 5, change the way you talk to yourself. This one's personal. Because I used to look in the mirror and only see what was wrong. The pimple, the spots, the dullness. But now, I try to look at it and say, I'm healing. My skin is doing its best. I'm taking care of myself. Your body listens, your skin responds. Kindness is a skincare step, so don't skip it. And that's it, Bellaras. 5 small, intentional things you can start doing daily to heal your skin from the inside. Let me know in the comments which one are you going to start today. Or if you're already doing one of these, I'd love to hear how it's been helping you. And if you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 yet, go back and binge the full series. I've linked them below and in the description so you don't miss a single glow up. Stay glowing and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.